What's up, guys? So I'm gonna be doing a little review on the BBTANK Vape battery. Yeah, I got this on Walmart.com for like $11.99. It was like the most random find ever, but it looked kind of cool and it was cheap, so like I decided to give it a try. It's not bad. It's got 3 heat settings on it. 4.2, 3.2, 2.4. It it locks right there, and then when you press the button, it flicks out. Sometimes it doesn't stay. Like sometimes sometimes it won't stay, but if you keep trying, you'll eventually get it. But yeah, you just press the button, it flicks out. It's kind of cool. I got it on a full charge right now, and the cloud that comes out of it honestly isn't very big. Let me see if I can take a little hit real quick. It's kind of like, it's not a solid cloud that comes out. It's kind of weak, even on the highest setting, but I mean, it was only 11 bucks, so I guess I can't really complain. You get what you pay for with these things, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys the gold BBTANK. Not a bad backup pen, but it's kind of cheap and it doesn't always stay when you're trying to connect it back into place. But yeah, check out the rest of my channel. I got a bunch of other videos reviewing stuff. So yeah, thumbs up. Later.